The Northeast and parts of the middle of the country weathered a snowstorm that had threatened to bring a post-holiday blizzard. Nationwide, more than 4,000 flights were delayed and around 800 were canceled Saturday morning as a record number of Americans tried to get home after the holidays. This was the Northeast's first big snowstorm of the season. It dropped up to a foot of snow in some areas and made roads treacherous.
I'm a little surprised because they said that the north side of the island was going to get hit a little bit harder and that we might escape with 4 inches. I think we got like 5 or 6.
Yeah, 7.
7?
Almost 7.
Lucky me.
Meanwhile, Southern California is drying out from a record-setting Christmas storm, now blamed for at least 4 deaths. The damage to property from flooding and mudslides is still being added up. The National Weather Service says a winter storm system will rapidly intensify over the Midwest today and track through the Great Lakes tomorrow.